Hello everyone. We're going to International Bowling Center. Welcome to my vlog. Yorme 23. Shout out all my big boss. How are you today? Stay safe,
Al Maktoum.
stay healthy, and take care always.
Assalamualaikum, magrabi, kay Palal. Wala tamam, alhamdulillah. Guys, this is Dubai International Bowling Center. Dubai, UAE. Team Al Maktoum lang ang sakalam. Rakam Wahid. Ay, wah. Sir Sunil, how are you? I'm good. Boss, shout out ka sa
Shout out sa mga player ng DG10. Dito muna tayo. Bowling muna bago basketball.
bowling. Bowling time.
Shout out.
Viva Max, panalo na.
Team Viva Max, number 1.
Number 1.
Guys, this is the ball of bowling. Size 10, 6, 12, 15, 14, 16. Ma'am Janet, my beautiful supervisor. Hello, Team Bini Squad. How are you? Bratan, Tagdela. What is that? Chocolate? Number 1. Team Galactic Rulers. How are you? Number 1. Follow and subscribe. Yorme 23. Ni hao ma.
10:45.
Number 1. Assalamualaikum. You are in the YouTube.
You know this guy. He's always taking the video.
Assalamualaikum.
Always take
Marhaba. Kepala,
I
tamam?
beat you in the cricket also, bro.
Yes,
Remember
yes,
last year?
yes. Hello, madam. How are you? Shout out Team HR.
Team HR.
Good morning. Boss, how are you?
I'm good.
Namaste. Jojo Lapa.
Namaste. Are you taking my interview?
Guys, this is the cash office. Rakam Wahid. Number 8. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Hi. Shout out dyan sa lahat ng cash office department.
Ano kay natin dito?
Hello, madam. How are you? Hello, ma'am. How are you? Morning. Team HR, good morning. Hi, ma'am. Margie, how are you today?
Sa pool na nasa.
Bill also? Bill? How are you? Cham! Cham! How are you? Good? Hakuna Matata Kabiche. Madam, how are you? Sa YouTube kayo, madam.
Hi, sir.
Hello, madam. Smile naman dyan. Shoutout sa Pinas.
Hello, Philippines.
How are you, madam? Tunjam Bowlers, how are you? Bhai, कैसा है भाई? अच्छा है भाई? How are you, madam? Yan ang nauti ko. Terminal 2.
Ulo ko, friend.
Hello, baby boy. How are you? Morning. Shout out. Philip Morris. Paring Albert. Where are you? Happy vacation. हाँ भाई कैसा है भाई? अच्छा है ठीक है? Ni hao ma. Ni hao.
Lane number 1, Fashion Nova. Lane number 2 from Concourse A, Paul Bollins. Lovely.
Shout out ka sa tropa, Bulacan.
Shout out kay Yorme.
Bulacan.
Ah, Bulacan. Ate ko Bulacan. Love you all.
Pre, mga tropa mo sa Mindanao.
Shout out sa Mindanao.
Lane number 3 from Concourse B, LD East Bowler. From lane number 4 from Concourse B, Goon Squad.
Good video to, oh.
Next week, lane number 5 from Concourse B,
How are you?
Bowler.
Nice, good.
Lane number 6 from Concourse A, Empire Strikes. Lane number 7 from Concourse C, Scented Bowlers. Lane number 8 from Concourse A, Rolling Stone. Lane number 9 from Concourse D,
मिसवाक भाई कैसा है भाई? अच्छा है भाई? टीम Viva Max, Rakam Wahid.
Concourse A, Rakam Wali.
Parinjik, shout out mo sa
Lane number
Parinjik.
11 from Terminal
Diyan ka lang, magtrabaho ka.
Tunjang Bowlers. Lane number 12 from Amia, the Game Changer.
Tata Rod, how are you? Mama G, morning.
Here to stay. Lane number 14 from Tiwan Arrivals Space Strikers. Lane number 15 from Concourse B, Viva Max.
Team Viva Max! Number 1, Team Viva Max, number 1!
Lane number 17 from Concourse D, United Mixed Strikers.
Namaste! Hong Kong lang, number 1! Jam, how are you?
Team na agad.
Number Wahid! Number Wahid!
E3 Arrivals, Team Paul Bollins. And our team from Lane 23 from Concourse A,
Ma'am Janet lang, ang sakalam.
Lane number 24 from
Hi, Blaze! How are you?
Lane number 25 from Loss Prevention, Desert Storm.
Emirati, how are you? Marhaba, salam alaikum.
Marhaba. Salam alaikum.
Lane number 27 from Congress team, Pemba Jam Squad. Lane number 28 from Congress team, Staff. Lane number 29 from Terminal 2, Galactic Rollers. Lane number 30 from Cash Office, the Pink Guardians. Lane 31 from Customer Service, Enigma.
Cash office lang, nasang alam.
Lane 32 from IT Support, Team IT. Lane 33 from Congress E, The Beginners.
Madam,
Lane
Madam, smile naman
34
dyan.
from Terminal 2, Yeti Striker. And Lane 35 from Congress D, CD Super Kings.
Wes, Sodero kay.
Ay, ito. Late kami. Kulang player.
Okay lang yun, okay lang yun.
We have met all our 35 teams
Bye,
this
kasama.
morning. We're going to start the tournament in
Boss, namaste, how are you?
Namaste, I'm very good.
players get ready.
Amazing!
Fantastic,
We're going to
fantastic.
announce the best in team uniform who will receive
My friend.
300 dirhams each.
Good luck, ha? Good luck, your team.
Okay?
Hamid Bhai. Shout out Bhai. Salam alaikum.
इसका नहीं है क्यों
हाँ भाई अच्छा है भाई अच्छा है भाई अच्छा है ठीक है
अच्छा बढ़िया
Marhaba. Assalamualaikum. Magrabi, Mudir Kabir. Kepalal, kepalal. Team Customer Service. Number Wahid. Number Wahid. Terminal 2. Number 1. Number 1.
I love it.
Terminal 2, number 1. Oh, pre. Aywa, Rakam Wahid. Number 1. One more. Ernie lang, saka lang. Big Rock in the house. Aywa. One more. Serbol.
0. Carl Eric Kabading. Carl Eric, are you here? Carl Eric. Carl Eric, are you here? Okay, Carl Eric is here.
Number 1, ha? Number 1.
Congrats, Carl. You won 2 boxes of pizza. And cheese stick. Our next lucky winner is
Boss Raymond lang sa kalam.
Okay, get ready, ladies. Stop number 14716.
Ray, congrats ha.
Odiambo.
Uncle Carl, number 1.
Christine, are you here?
जल्दी करो भाई, जल्दी करो भाई. Sawi, Mia, Ami. Sawi. Number 1. Next. This one? Yeah, enough. Oh, enough. How are you? Rakamahit. Subscribe and follow.
Guys, please don't forget, subscribe and follow Yorme 23. Thank you. RB Timbuang lang ang sakalam. Ron Chua. Shout out. Happy birthday, my friend. Stay pretty boy. Stay healthy. Always. To all my big boss, thank you very much for this wonderful event of Dubai Duty Free Bowling Tournament. Shout out to all my managers, Ship A, Ship B, Ship C, Ship D, and to all HR department. Stay safe, stay healthy. Enjoy your life. Take care. Hello to my friends. Ian, Cas Office. Carlos, my batchmate. Sherwin Wines. Andrew. Reggie Armani. Paring Dwight. Paring Albert. Romel AS from Cas Office, and Kevin, thank you very much for the gift card. NBA card Jokic. Hello to Kuya Ryan. RB Building 166. Kuya Kim, pagaling ka. Hello also to DM Secretary Ma'am Carmi, Maring Jello, and Erwin. And to my kumaring Jopay, paring Jim, and to my big boss Shipsy. Boss Sanjay Lama. Take care always, boss. Stay safe, stay healthy. Shout out to all my friends. Emirates staff. And Dinata. And Marhaba. May I help you? And to all Al Maktoum Airport. Shout out to my beautiful managers, Ma'am Hazel, Ma'am Ibet, Ma'am Nori, Ma'am Ardi. Stay safe, stay healthy, always take care. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless.